Good morning, ladies. How are we today? It's so nice and quiet in here. How are we feeling? You look very mobile. This is a good sign. Are you gonna come smell me? Yeah, she's thinking about it. I have a very fun thing today. Are you interested? I bet you would prefer to be fed. Hey, honey. Good morning. Would you look at that? I just got a tail hug. Who's a sweet girl? Are those slow blinks for me? Looks like Storm is ready for breakfast, so I am gonna get started on that. Alright, you are ready today. All notions of shyness are definitely gone at this point. Good girl. And Storm is ready too. What a good girl. Today we have salmon for you. How does that sound? Good girl. Just a good little pet. These are some happy kitties. Is that right? You want to lick the spoon? Is that what you're telling me? What a good girl. This is her satiety sport. Oh, I need more coffee this morning. She's been meowing at me as I serve up breakfast. I think this might get her to like me a lot more. Good morning, Mikey. I see you finished all of your lettuce from yesterday. Would you like some new lettuce? Oop, oop. Okay, that was not great. I am so sorry for scaring you. This is a very awkward position to be in. I'm like, okay, well now you have some lettuce, and I hope you like it. Okay, we are back inside. What do we think, ladies? They've definitely been investigating my shirt, although it could have been the robot vacuum. What do you think, Storm? Okay, they're definitely interested, so now we just need to build some momentum. Well, this is a good sign. Oh no, it's escaping. Are you guys gonna let it escape? Yeah, you are. Okay, maybe they'll enjoy me tossing some toys. Alright, I'm not very good at throwing. Not even when it goes past you? You're some tough customers. She's just like, what are you doing? Okay, maybe we'll have better results with some treats. I feel like these are some very food-motivated cats. Storm, she saw me getting these treats. There you go, honey. Yum, yum, yum. I've got more. Only one's for you, though. I figure 2 is enough for one day. What if I put this right here? Good girl. Okay, yeah. What? You don't like funny business? At least you got a treat out of it. She's so funny. Okay, Neji, it's your turn. Wow, she's eating it. Okay, good. I was kind of a little nervous since we know you're picky about your treats, my dear. Did you swallow it whole? You didn't even smash it on your palate? On your breast. All right, we're gonna put this one right here. Good girl. Do we think we can be petted? No? Okay. Well, these are some wonderful steps toward friendship that we've had today. Very good job. Almost got a tail hug just now. Yeah! Oh, thank you, Neji. Oh, you're so sweet, honey. What a good girl. Okay. I just thought I might be... Okay. Very good. Well, as I have sat here working on the report card and the video, Neji's been over here giving me slow blinks, just checking me out, seeing what's up. And I believe Storm went and used the baño while I was on the couch as well. And somebody drank water, I'm not sure which. It might have been Storm. Which is a really good sign because accessing your resources and being in a vulnerable position, either drinking water or going potty, that's not something you do around somebody you don't trust. So I'm very happy with how things are going so far. The girls are having a very nice low-key staycation, and I hope your vacation is going excellently as well. Have a great day.